Join us and learn how to make your own silver clay twig rings in this step-by-step Cognac Jewellery School online course. This start-to-finish project contains all the information you'll need to create silver clay twig rings from lump clay to fully finished pieces. In this course, we look at 3 different ways to make silver clay twig rings with both solder and non-solder options, so you can pick the technique that best suits your style and studio setup. In this course, you'll learn how to measure and calculate a silver clay ring size, how to create a mould using a twig, and how to make a silver clay ring using that mould, how to fire it, either with a blowtorch or a kiln, and how to finish and polish your creations, as well as other techniques that you can use for all your future projects. The course is broken down into 16 easy-to-digest lessons. Simply sign up and follow the instructions one lesson at a time. For this project, you'll need to leave your ring to dry overnight, but the handy progress bar will remember where you are, so you can easily pick up where you left off. And of course, once you've purchased the course, it's yours to keep forever, so you can revisit it as many times as you like. In the resources section, you'll find printable written instructions to keep on your bench, the essential guide to silver clay, the quick reference guide to find silver clay rings, and a full tools and materials list to buy anything you might not already have. In addition, you'll also receive access to bonus videos for extra information on technical aspects of this online course. And finally, all online courses grant you direct access to help and support to answer any questions you may have along the way. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'll be happy to personally answer your queries to ensure you fully enjoy the making process and complete your project.